Now I'll explain the loft feature. So again take a new file, select part, okay. So using loft feature you can create a object having different cross section areas. So to do this, what I'll do is I'll take the top plane and I'll select a sketch, and in the bottom level I'll draw a circle on this top plane. Now I'm drawing a circle, and the circle diameter is some 60. Or I'll take circle diameter as some 100. I'll take circle diameter as 100. Okay. Click on OK. Then exit from the sketch. Now I have moved out of the sketch command. This is the isometric view. So now I'll create one more work plane parallel to the top plane and at a distance of 80 mm from the top plane. To do this, you select the top plane and come to reference geometry, this button, and click here and select a plane option, and select this particular plane option. Now you are creating a new reference plane. So different distance between the top plane and this new work plane is some 80. That's why you enter 80 distance here. Okay, after entering the distance, here you can change the direction. If you click on reverse direction, that will come on the bottom side. Again, if you click, that will come on the top side. Okay, distance is 80. Then OK. Click on OK. Now observe, you can see the new reference plane. This is the new work plane. On this work plane, I want to create the second cross section, that is square. Now select this particular plane, right click on this, click on sketch. Now you are going to draw a new sketch on this particular plane. Okay. Now this plane you can see from the top. So select the top view here. Now I am going to draw a square. Okay. Roughly I have drawn a square. Now I have drawn the square. Now select smart dimensions to apply the dimensions to this particular square. This dimension I will take as some 25. Because it's a square, I am taking 25. And second dimension also I will take as same 25. That means here also I will take same 25. Then I will get this square. Now I want to move the square to the center of the circle. To do this, again I will take the smart dimension option. This particular side to this origin point distance is now 12.5, because total is 25. This distance will be 12.5. In the same way, from here to this origin point, this origin point distance is again 12.5. Now I have moved this square to the center of the circle. Now you finish dimensions. Zoom all, zoom to fit, exit from the sketcher, then keep the view in the isometric mode. Now observe very clearly, you can see two sketches here in two different work planes. Now using loft boss option, this feature, select this feature, then automatically here you can select the profiles. Okay, now I'll select this profile and I'll select this profile. Two profiles I am selecting. So when you select the two profiles, automatically you will get a solid joining these two cross sections. Then click on OK. Now observe, you got a solid having one side cross section as a circle and other side cross section as a square. So if you want to hide this plane, right click on this particular plane and click on hide option, hide. Now you can hide the work plane and you can see only the object. This is the loft operation. This is the loft operation.